Welcome back to online classes. Dear students, today I am going to discuss with Evidence Act under section 113B. Okay. Section 113B explain about presumption as to dowry death. Presumption as to dowry death. The Act explain about when the question is whether a person has committed the dowry death of a woman and it is shown that soon before her death such woman has been subjected by such a person to cruelty or harassment for or in connection with any demand for dowry, the court shall presume that such a person had caused the dowry death. And also, as per the section, the explanation for the purpose of this section, dowry death shall have the same meaning in section 304B of IPC. Okay. The main important points, that means the main ingredients of the section 113B is: number 1, the woman should be a married woman. Number 2, the death of a woman was caused due to the demand of dowry by her husband or husband relatives. Third point, before her death, her husband or his relative subjected her cruelty in connection with demanding dowry. Okay, demanding dowry means demanding money. The fourth point, for the purpose of section 113B Evidence Act, the definition of a dowry death shall be the same as is given under section 304B of IPC. And fifth point, section 113B Evidence Act and section 304B IPC shall be read with together. Okay, the former is a rule of evidence, that is 113B is a rule of evidence, 304B is a substantive offence. The sixth point, under the provisions of section 113B, the court shall presume that before the death of married woman, her husband and his relatives subjected her cruelty and demanded dowry death is an irrefutable presumption of law. And the last one of these ingredients, the burden of proof lies upon the accused, that is the husband or his relative side, to prove that they did not subject the deceased wife and did not demand dowry. Okay student, now it's clear. Here burden of proof, who is at? Accused side. Okay students, that's all. This is a small section and very useful section and biggest crime in our India. Okay, in modern days also many people are taking dowry. I think they are not following humanism and all. They are taking money from wife side. I am not blaming any male peoples. The arrogant and animal like a person only doing like this without going any working area and torturing to wife and getting money from the father-in-law or mother-in-law. Okay, so this is a main dispute coming from the family dispute also. If you are going to verify all over India, it will show many cases, dowry harassment, and also you can search with any nearest police station also. Many cases, the newly married couple, both husband and wife also good things, and suddenly the husband of mother and father. I am not blaming. In husband side, many of the female only creating a problem. So creating by the female, and also ending of the offense also Where? Who is affected person? Creating by the female, affected also female. So I am giving awareness as per the section also. Those who are listen this video, please give right remedy to your clients. Okay, just to give nature of the offense and reunite that male and female, that means couples. Don't give any divorce advice and all. The court also thinking reunite the family only. So advocate and law student also should think reunite the family. Okay students, thank you all. This is at present going a situation. This is not my idea, because various sources I'm collecting from various cases and all. Now the many area cruelty is going on. This is the main reason. Society also, I think ignorance of knowledge also one thing. We must give awareness program to the society. Okay viewers, okay advocates, okay students, judicial aspirant also, take care. Bye. We'll meet you on next online class. Stay with this YouTube channel, and those who are not subscribed, subscribe immediately. Bye.